the sand dunes, guys?
Yes!
Alright, let's do it. It's like the beach without the water.
Can we bring the dogs next time?
Bring the dogs next time.
Bring Yukon.
I don't know. Is this fun? It's like a giant sandbox.
Yeah.
How far down does it get cold?
Just a bit.
A little bit. The top is warm though. Yeah, the top is warm a little bit. It's not hot though. It's nice.
I found the great
You're gonna dig a bird's nest?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're gonna be ostriches.
Should we put sand in my boot?
It's warm. Shut up.
Yeah, it is.
Great spot for a nest. Oh.
Look at all that sand out there. Hey, buddy. What'd you find? Oh, cool.
Go.
Careful.
I got sand in it.
Go ahead.
Ah.
Watch out for the sticks. Careful. You're slipping down. Hey, you want a banana or an apple? Yeah, you can eat it right now. It's a snack while I get some food going. Okay? Yeah. Got apples and bananas.
Is it a...
I don't know. I'm going to show you how to open a can if you don't have a can opener and don't want to dull your knife up. Oh, got beans all over my shirt. Bummer, dude. I need a napkin. It's okay.
Hey, but it matches your shirt.
It does match my shirt.
Because it's brown.
How convenient is that?
But still, you have a messy shirt.
I'm gonna have to get a wipe.
Because I accidentally
No, not quite. I gotta put these hot dogs in here. Mix up a yummy. Well, guys, I got jalapeno cheese and jalapeno hot dogs because I know how much you like them. I got some regular ones for you guys. Well, the kids want a digging stick to make a giant hole in the sand, so I'm going to use some of this to just make a little stick they can use. And we can use our EDC size knife for this. Pretty simple. I'm just going to cut in like this. This does just fine. Stop texting me, you're ruining the illusion of remoteness. Oh yeah? Is that your sister's? So once we have it cut all the way around like this, good gravy, okay. We can just pop it. Boom, just like that, no problem. So next we're gonna cut it right here, doing the same thing. It's a little thicker, it's like a good inch and a quarter. And this is green wood. I think that's good, bud, right there.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay, so we've scored it again, all the way around.
Yeah, got it this way. Take it.
Check on our beans here. Yeah, they're getting warm. 10, how are the beans?
10, 800 million.
Wow, that's pretty good. How are the beans, 1 to 10?
The highest number. And the numbers are infinity.
Well, that would be 10. Star, what do you think?
Infinity. 10.
Oh, wow. Awesome. Okay.
Infinity.
I feel like you guys are just flattering me, but thank you.
Did weird. For real. I know you
If that grate came out of that barbecue deal, I could have set this whole thing down far enough, but it doesn't, and so I tried a couple different things and I just had to get it out of the wind enough to make it actually get to a rolling boil. So here we are in a slightly less windy spot and it's actually working. Yeah, you need an apple. Good job, buddy.
Some antelope tracks along with some gerbil tracks and beetle tracks. Beetles must be busy nowadays. Back in the sand! Oh. Okay, I can't move. I'm staying like this. You take me.
So how's that going now? You're just stuck in the sand. What? What'd you do? Why'd you do that?
Dad, my legs have nowhere. My legs are itchy.
Bummer, dude.
So then you take off your knife and you can roll down, okay?
You gonna make it, buddy? You can make it? Good deal. You made it. Good job.
No, guys. Up.
How hard was that?
It's so hard.
So hard? Yeah.
I did not go to plan.
Woo! Yeah. Woo! Careful. Whoa, careful. Okay, go ahead, Jay. What are you doing?
Digging
What is that?
a hole.
For what?
Me.
You gonna fit in it?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.